In today's video, I'll show you how to add product reviews on Shopify using Pagefly so you can build trust and boost conversions. Start by opening your web browser and going to the Shopify website. Log into your Shopify account using your credentials. Before adding reviews in Pagefly, you need a product reviews app installed. Shopify does not include reviews by default. So go to the Shopify App Store and install a reviews app such as Judge, Me, Looks or Review. Once installed, complete the basic setup inside the app. Next, open the Pagefly app from your Shopify dashboard. In the Pagefly dashboard, open the page where you want to display product reviews such as a product page. Inside the Pagefly editor, look to the left panel and click on third-party elements. Then click Edit Third-Party Elements and enable the Reviews app you installed. After enabling the app, return to the Elements list and find the review elements provided by your Reviews app. Drag the review element onto your Pagefly page where you want it to appear. Click on the review element to open its settings. From here, you can customize the layout, spacing, and styling so it matches your store design. Once you are happy with the look, save and publish the Pagefly page. That's it. You've successfully added product reviews to your Shopify store using Pagefly, giving shoppers valuable social proof and more confidence to buy. Thanks for watching and happy selling.